Back everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reposition your side panel on your Google Chrome browser. So if you've got your bookmark here on the right hand side on your Google Chrome browser and you want to change it so it appears on the left hand side, then let me show you how to do this. So to change the bookmark toolbar to appear on the left hand side, I'm going to first go into the three dots at the top right, scroll down until you see settings. Now from here, you're going to click on appearance on the left hand side. Now where it says side panel position, currently set to show on the right, you want to go ahead and click on show on the left. Now once you do this, you want to go ahead and click on home. Now show the bookmark, and as you can see, it now appears on the left hand side. So there you go guys, that is how to reposition your side panel on your Google Chrome browser.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and